Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog, and welcome back to another Chicago Lane Changers episode. You guys, I am going to take you guys on a little drive. That has been probably the most requested video I got so far after getting the Camaro. I want to see you drive it, Mugen. I really want to see you shift gears, bang those gears in that little Tremec transit gears. So for today's video, we're going to do exactly that. I'm going to strap the GoPro to my head. You guys are going to get a POV. And yeah, let's take a little drive with you guys. And I'm excited, man. I'm excited because this is the first time I'm going to drive with the camera on my head. I did try it, and I actually did film a video, but the GoPro was flipped up, so all you saw was like the the visor, the mirror visor on the on top of the roof. So it was kind of annoying, so I wanted to redo it, get you guys the best quality video that I can. You can't tell me that thing's not beautiful, man. But you guys, oh my god, she's such a beast, dude. Let's get you guys a cold start. And I actually did drive the car in the morning, so this is not a cold start. I lied. I lied. I'm sorry. This isn't a cold start. This is actually a warm start, but still, nonetheless, sounds really good. So yeah. That V8 is a whole different story. Let's strap the GoPro to our heads, and you guys really want this. And I think for the next vlog, I really want to wake up at 5 in the morning and take this on the back roads. I think that's going to be such a vibey vlog for you guys. So we'll definitely be doing that. So yeah, let's go, you guys. All right, guys. So let's get this show on the road. Oh yeah. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so for today's video, I just want to get into it. I've had the car for a week. What are my first impressions? Do I regret buying this car? This will be all answered after we do this quick little poll right here. I never really do polls in the car because, again, I'm trying to really break it in, but from whatever everybody says to break it in really nice, just get on the throttle here and there. So let's try. All right, you guys ready? Oh my god, holy shit. Yep, that was sketchy. That was oh yeah, that was sketchy. Yeah, we were really spinning on that one. So here, like when you drive here, I usually keep rev match on, but when it's more open, I do everything myself. See, smooth as shit. It really did help my rev matching. My rev matching got so much better. But yeah, I do but in situations like this when we're really in traffic, I just turn it back on and I don't really got to do nothing else. But first impressions on owning it, for the first week, I'm in love. Like, dude, like I get in this car and I smile every single time just because of the fact that I got the 6-speed. Now I'm so happy that I didn't really aim for the 10-speed, because honestly I felt like that it wouldn't have been boring, because honestly I feel like a normal 1SS, 2SS is boring to me. The 1LE is just a completely different beast. If you're looking for more of a comfortable car, but you want that V8 and you want some of that, you want some of that track goodies. So if you guys really want a comfortable car, but at the same time you want this V8, you want the 6-speed, you want the 10-speed, I definitely recommend the 1SS, 2SS. But if you really want that track feel and the more, I would say, track focus type of car, the 1LE is definitely yours. You got the rev match, you still got the comfortability, you got the Magna ride. Everything about the car is so comfortable, but at the same time, this is a track monster. It sets records. I mean, this thing is a fucking monster, dude. And you can lose to a 5.0 on a straight line, but then your excuse is, well, meet me on the track and we'll see what would happen. So this thing is such a beast, and honestly, it'll make you smile every time you drive it. So with more open roads like this, you turn off rev match it yourself. Rev match yourself, perfect rev matches. So it's more fun like that when you do it yourself. But when you have rev match on, again, that's not even me doing nothing, that's the car. So I mean, it is really fun though. I can't complain. I mean, I really like rev match, especially in situations like this, man. At first I was kind of getting annoyed because yes, I did stall the car probably 4 times the first day I got it, and that's obviously completely understandable. I'm trying to get used to the clutch, which the clutch in this car really threw me off a bit. It's very smooth, but it threw me off. I don't know why. It just really threw me off, and I was just, it kind of pissed me off at first. I was like, man, I really don't know if I really want this car, and shit like that. But honestly, at the end of the day, I just I got really happy because maybe after the second day I didn't stall anymore. I literally drove this car perfectly, and like, dude, it's like the best feeling. learning how to drive this car specifically. I don't know how it is about, you know, the Mustang, the Challenger in the manual, but with this, it's just such a good feeling just because of the fact, again, this is a track fucking monster, and the fact that, you know, you can teach yourself, especially because this Tremec is very, 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 very forgiving. So I mean, it's honestly the best feeling that you get to have a car every day to practice on, and, you know, just learn your skills for other cars in the future, if you know what I mean. But you guys, owning the car, okay, are we gonna go? But owning this car, you know, first impression though, was amazing. And again, it still kind of pissed me off, and this pisses me off. I gotta get that wire for that, because bro, it's just fucking stupid. Like that whole 1 to 4 because of because they're trying to save fuel. It pisses me off and I hate it. But would I recommend this car to someone? Yes, I would, but I'd be careful though, because again, this car does come with the 10-speed now. Oh, I think that we got a snack right there. Oh yeah, he wants to get I think somebody's looking to get gas right now. Oh my god, we got a Shelby GT. Is that a GT? No, that's probably a GT. All right, we're just gonna turn up here. Oh, come on, get into it. I really like the S197 bodies, by the way. They're beautiful. Oh, we got an SRT 300. Man, we got so much snacks out here today. Unless that's an EcoBoost, I can't tell. He took off the badges. Looks pretty high up for a GT though. It looks like his tires are too skinny to be a GT. It might be, I don't know. Can't tell. Oh my god, it's an EcoBoost. Oh my god, it's a fucking EcoBoost. Oh my god. It's a fucking EcoBoost, you guys. Oh my god. Holy shit. Wow. It's a fucking EcoBoost. So, do I like it and would I prefer it to somebody else? Yes, I would. I would prefer it to a real car enthusiast. Now, what I mean by that, if you really grew up on track cars, you really want to really track this car, you really want to build this car for its full potential, 1000% get the 1LE. 1SS, 2SS is more versatile for like quarter mile times. It's built for more it's more versatile than the 1LE. 1LE is only built from, you know, obviously circuit track use, like you know what I mean by like the Autobahn shit like that. So that's what the car is built for. It's not really built for that quarter mile time. And you got people who put welds and slicks on a fucking, you know, 1LE, and that's completely okay. I mean, people can do whatever the fuck they want with their cars, but this car is built for this car is built for a real racetrack, not a quarter mile track. And at the end of the day, it's all personal preference. Would I recommend a 6-speed to someone who wants to generally want to get into a manual car? 1000%. If this is your first manual car like me, I would 100% recommend it. I mean, this thing like literally teaches you. Like, I didn't know how to rev match for shit until after I turned it off. That was me. I just did that. That was me, bro. Like, I did all that. So I mean, honestly, I really love, you know, this car on the Trans, and how it really kind of teaches you at the same time, but at the same time, you know, it would need you to put in that work to be the best manual driver you can be, if that makes any sense. And I love that. I love that about this car. I think this car does a good job of, you know, teaching you for your full potential as a manual car driver, you know? I'm gonna be completely honest with you. Like, this Trans is notchy as shit. I don't know if that's just me or my shifting, but it's notchy. And what I've seen on forums, everybody says the Tremec is a very notchy Trans. All right, can you go, buddy? Come on, can we go? Oh my god, it's green. That means you go faster, not slower. Oh my god. Come on, man. It even rev matches it to first for me, which is pretty cool. So here, let's get on the straightaway. All right, let's go. Holy shit. Oh my god. Dude, I'm telling you, this thing just goes. This thing just goes. I'm sorry, Dad. I know if you're watching, please don't get on my ass. I swear it was a pull. Look, I'm slowing down. No, but in all seriousness, no, I mean, would I recommend it? Yeah, 1000%. I mean, again, this is more of a track feel car. I've driven a manual 1SS and I honestly wasn't impressed. Yeah, I mean, it's the same exact car. Like, it's the exact same car. I'm not just saying this because I own a 1LE. 1LE just feels more like a fucking well-built car, if that makes any sense, dude. It just feels so much better. And honestly, I would definitely recommend this. And if I ever bought another Camaro, it's gonna be a 1LE. I don't give a fuck if it's a ZL1 1LE to, I don't care how the suspension is built in that car. I know the ZL1 1LE has like the suspension's actually bolted to the frame, so I mean, you feel everything in that car. I don't give a shit. The 1LE is like the shit to me, and I really love that car. And you know, everything about it, just the name, what it represents for Chevy, and everything about the car is just so legendary. And that's something I definitely want to get into every day. I don't know if you guys can hear the pops. I don't know if you guys can hear the pops or not, but I'll definitely get a mic back there eventually so you guys can really hear it. But nah, man, I mean, honestly, everything about the 1LE is just gonna make you smile, and it's just such a more legendary name than the normal 1SS, 2SS, and that's just my opinion. You can say whatever you want. You can say, oh my god, this kid doesn't know what the fuck he's talking about, and that's completely okay. But honestly, as a 1LE owner, this is probably the fucking best car I've ever, you know, owned, and it definitely go down as one of my favorite cars I've ever driven, because frankly, this thing is a fucking monster. So to answer everybody's questions, is the 1LE a daily drivable car? In my opinion, from my experience, 1000% yes. This is such a daily drivable car. Obviously, if you live in, you know, like I do in Chicago, you live in, you know, St. Louis, you live in Wisconsin, you live in, you know, Minnesota, you live in all these places where it snows, it's not the most ideal daily driver. You definitely want a backup car for the winter. You get a you could get a shitty all-wheel drive, front-wheel drive shit box. But honestly, from what I've read, people threw snow tires on this thing and called it a fucking day. So I mean, who knows? I mean, I don't think I'm gonna daily drive this in the winter. I definitely want to get another project car. So I mean, we'll see, dude, because from what I've read, a lot of people daily drive this in the winter. They just, I'm telling you, they just throw snow tires and call it a day. So I mean, who knows, man? Who knows? So no cars are coming. Let's just go. But yeah, no, to answer everybody's question, and you know, is this car daily drivable? Yes, in my opinion it is. It just, if depends on where you live. If you want that, if you live all by, you know, the city, traffic, get the 10-speed. But if you really want that manual at the end of the day, you're gonna get what you asked for. And then, but honestly, it's gonna be quite worth it when you got that open road and you got the 6-speed. That is everything. I mean, I really hope you guys did enjoy the video. I'm sorry if this video didn't kind of make sense, because I just wanted to show you guys how I drove it, and a lot of people really just wanted the video. So so thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, smash the like button, smash the subscribe button. If you're on the channel, hit that little bell notification so you can be notified, be a part of CLC Nation. You already know. And you guys, stay tuned for that fucking podcast. The podcast is actually coming quite soon. So I mean, you guys gotta really stay tuned for that, because we got a whole studio being built, and it's going to be quite exciting. So thank you guys so much for all the support. You guys are amazing. I love you, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye.